So, welcome back to the channel. So, this is Jonas, and for those who are new in the channel, I'm into cars, bikes, anything with wheels, outdoors, and DIYs. And this video is going to be about bumper. As I mentioned on a video that I recently posted, that the bumper of the Lancer was actually mounted with wood screws. So this is their method of mounting their repairs here. So instead of me replicating that error, I mounted it properly. So first is that we placed proper mounting brackets for the sides, which is on this side. And then we adhered it with Loctite PL MAX. This is a very strong and flexible adhesive. I saw this on a YouTube channel. He used this to build his his Sprinter van as a van life, and he said that it held well. And then on the corners here, they also mounted it with wood screw because there's no more tab. So I did a tab using metal, and then I drilled a lot of holes, and then I adhered it to the corner using JB weld. So I use the original one, the original JB weld. I know that there's a JB weld plastic, but if you check, because I watch Project Farm, this is a YouTube channel where he always compare stuff, like for example adhesives. So he compared JB weld original with JB weld plastic and some other sorts, like I think it was Loctite and I forgot which one. But according to his test, that the original one is actually still stronger for plastic. So I just used JB weld on the corner, and then as I've said, I drilled a lot of holes, so it will have more grip. And then the corners, this one was missing. So I used it's a Epoxy, but it's solid. It's US made. So you just cut it and then mix it with your hands, and then I shape it up to this point. So the corner will be complete. So that's it. So this is properly mounted, and we try to sort this so it doesn't have to be bolted here, because it was originally bolted. It was a pain to remove, because you need to remove the bumper itself instead of just the bumper cover. So we are going to use this. So these push pin plastic clips or tabs, and then they are now properly mounted on the sides, so it can be lifted and pulled inwards. So if you see here, there's actually still a wood screw here, and if you will see that I had to put body filler, because this is where they poke the hole to put the wood screw. So now this bumper is properly mounted, and that's it. So anytime I need to remove it, I don't have to worry about these wood screws. And it's only going to be 1, 2, 3 plastic tabs, 1, 2 bolts, and 1, 2 more for the corners. So that's it. That's for the rear. Next video is going to be for the front, which we also did the same, because they really love using wood screws here. So now this is properly mounted. As you can see, it's already body fillered straight but it's not perfect because this one is still a little bit high, but I don't want to put too much mondo. Maybe later on I'll have to hit this up to push this in. So the only flaw, if you may say, is this, which is a little bit high, and then this, which is also a little bit high. So this bumper is really, let's say, out of shape. So anyways, hope you like this video. I would say that the products that I use is the best product for this application. So if you are going to, fix your bumpers, you should probably just use these ones. I'll try to find the link in Amazon. I always buy stuff in Amazon. I don't know. They're actually much more cheaper than going to any stores, and gets delivered to your doorstep. So I'll look for a link for the Loctite PL MAX for JB Weld. I'm sure JB Weld is in Amazon, which I actually bought JB Weld in Amazon. And then this one. So with that, I think I can help a lot of you guys finding the right product. And that's it. Hope you like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for the front, stay tuned. Peace.